Hi guys, I'm back again. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm doing another video. I told you this is a channel where we talk about natural lifestyle using natural ingredients. So I told you that today we are preparing neem leaves powder using neem leaf oil. Neem leaves powder using neem leaves, dried neem leaves. I had plucked this like a month ago and I stored them and they are dry now. We can grind them to get the powder. No additional of any chemical. So neem leaves, I told you, it is also called in another name Muarobaini leaves. I know those of my age and earlier age, our grandparents, our parents used to use it to treat us. About ingesting it, I don't know. I don't want to say about ingesting, but I know its benefits on the skin and also using it on our hair. So neem leaves is a natural moisturizer for the skin. It can also reduce aging, the early signs of aging. It can treat acne. It promotes collagen production that helps the skin that is on the face. It also treats uneven skin tone and it lightens scars. So you can hear that when you apply it on your skin, especially on your face, it has so much benefits. On the hair, then it treats dandruff and helps itchy scalp. There's somebody who had inboxed me concerning dandruff. So when you apply this neem leaves oil on your hair, on your scalp that is, it will reduce dandruff. It also promotes hair growth. I've been talking about growing our hair long using healthy products. It also promotes hair growth. It prevents premature graying of hair. So those early gray hair, it works on them and it prevents premature graying of hair. And also it hydrates the skin ends. So it has so many benefits. You can Google their benefits. There are so many of neem leaves. So I'm going to grind it. Then we'll keep it for the product that I told you I want to use for my soap and my oil, my face oil and also my hair oil. So just remove them and put it on in this container like that. It is so dry. I told you I'd plucked it like a month ago. I've been checking on it. So it is dry. Wow. Completely dry. Don't mind the spillover, I'll pick that. So this is very healthy. Make use of these natural things that God has granted us. It will help you a long way. So this one I'll use it to make soap and also to make hair oil and face oil. So once I grind and I get the powder, I'll be able to have enough stock for any product that I want to make. So if you come across neem leaf tree, you can pluck some leaves and store them and dry them, grind them to powder form, then use it for your oil. I've taught you how to make oils. We'll still make them together with you again. So that's it, like that. Wacha tutumie hizi vitu natural zenye Mungu ametupea. We are not paying for this to remain healthy and young. So when I told you when I'm home, I really try maximizing on that time that I'm home to make such things and stock for future use. So I heard that this helps when you have issues with your stomach, but I don't know. Don't want to talk about that. I don't talk on products that we ingest because I don't have knowledge on that and I don't want to give you misleading information. So after that, I'll just close it like that. It is almost in its powder form. I want to grind it completely. So I'll open and close because of these leaves that had gone up. To give me a very small amount, but it will work for me. To give me very small amount, but it will work for me because you just need a teaspoon. I believe now we have the powder. I have not made much. Remember, these are natural things, so if you are able to access the leaves, just make small quantity. If you need to add, you can add later. So out of what you saw me make, this is what has come out. Quite small amount, but good enough for what I want to do with it. So I'll use this to make soaps. I'll use it to make oils, face oils. So that's how we make neem leaves powder from dried neem leaves, Muarobaini leaves. So guys, till we meet next time, I say bye bye. Thank you for supporting my channel. Continue supporting it. We've said we let it grow. This is a channel that will help people learn new things. So help me grow it. Help me grow this channel, please. So I'll put it in this storing container. I don't throw away my containers after I finish honey. So I keep them because they help me when I need such. So that's the neem leaf powder. It's quite small, but if I want more, I will make, because there are other leaves that are drying up right now. So that's what I'll use. So when I want to make soap, I just use a scoop and scoop a spoonful, depending with the quantity. So thank you for watching. Wait until we make the next video on what rosemary leaves.